Well, it's Friday. Well, I mean, it's Freeflow Friday. And that's because it's Freeflow Friday all month long here at the Spa and Sauna Company and Hot Spring Spas of Santa Cruz and San Jose. We really like this Freeflow line because it opens up hot tub ownership and the benefits of regular spa use to a lot of people, and it does this by reducing overall cost. One of the ways it does this is by coming with a plug, as they call it, or plug and play. Essentially what this means is, unlike most hot tubs which require a special 220-volt electrical installation, which requires an electrician to come out to your house maybe 2, 3, 4 times just to get your hot tub up and running, your new Freeflow Spa can plug directly into a 110-volt outlet, which means no special electrical installation. In fact, you can plug your new Freeflow Spa directly into the same outlet that you use to run your margarita machine. What do people have besides margarita machines at their house? Just margarita machines. During this month, we're encouraging you to come into one of our showrooms and see for yourself why the Freeflow line of spas is a great line of hot tubs that packs a lot of big spa features into a smaller price point. We're giving away prizes, we're giving away free delivery. You can get a Freeflow Spa starting at just $59.99 a month. Terms and conditions do apply. Less than $60 a month, really? Really? I spend more than that on margarita machines. So once again, that is Freeflow Friday all month long here at the Spa and Sauna Company and Hot Spring Spas of Santa Cruz and San Jose. Until next time, TGIF.